Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Many traders use TradingView for its amazing charts, but did you know you can also trade directly through it? Connecting your broker here creates a super efficient workflow. It means no more switching between tabs or apps just to place a trade after you've done your analysis. This really streamlines your entire trading process, giving you more time to focus on your strategy rather than juggling platforms. Once you're on any chart, simply look towards the very bottom of your screen. You'll see a section there labeled Trading Panel. Click on that, and it will expand to show you a list of available brokers. This is your gateway to connecting with your preferred trading account, making it super easy to find exactly what you need. Now, within that trading panel, you'll see a diverse range of broker logos. Scroll through the options until you find your current broker. Once you spot it, just give that logo a click. This action will initiate the connection process, guiding you through the next steps to link your account securely and effortlessly. Clicking your broker's logo will open a separate, secure window. This is where you'll enter your username and password, just as you would when logging into your broker's website directly. You might also need to grant TradingView specific permissions to manage trades on your behalf. Always ensure you're on your broker's legitimate login page for security. After successful login and authorization, your Brokers tab within the Trading Panel will change to Connected. You'll immediately see your account details populate, including your balance and any open trades. Congratulations! You are now all set to execute orders directly from your TradingView charts, making your trading experience incredibly integrated and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.